Hello friends, today we're going to read Peppa's 12 Days of Christmas. It was Christmas Day and Peppa and George were so excited. It's Christmas, George, shouted Peppa. They both raced downstairs and started opening their presents. Peppa began to sing. On the first day of Christmas, Santa gave to me a brand new Christmas dolly. Peppa and George woke up the next morning. They looked outside to see. Snow, cheered Peppa. She and George put on their coats, gloves and boots. Peppa, George, called Mummy Pig. She had something else they needed. Peppa looked at George and sang, on the second day of Christmas, Mummy gave you and me 2 woolly hats. Thank you, Mummy, said Peppa. The next day, there was a knock at the door. We have some very special visitors, said Mummy Pig, opening the door. They've came a long way to see us. Ooh, goody, said Peppa. Peppa started to sing to George. On the third day of Christmas, a knock gave you and me 3 French friends. Joyeux Noël, Peppa and George, cheered Delphine Donkey. Merry Christmas, Delphine, cheered Peppa. The next day, Suzy Sheep came to see Peppa. Merry Christmas, Peppa, said Suzy. I've baked some things for you for Christmas. Ooh, said Peppa excitedly. What are they? Peppa and George jumped up and down, and Peppa sang, on the 4th day of Christmas, Suzy baked you and me 4 yummy cookies. Thank you, Suzy, said Peppa. When Peppa peeked out of the kitchen window the next morning, she gasped. It's Granny and Grandpa, George, said Peppa. And Grandpa's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presents. Peppa started to sing. On the 5th day of Christmas, Grandpa gave to you and me 5 golden boots. That's 2 boots for me, 2 boots for George, and 1 boot for Teddy, said Peppa. Wow, thank you, Grandpa. Mr. Fox gave me a special deal. I got 5 boots for the price of 4, said Grandpa Pig. Granny and Grandpa Pig spent the night at Peppa's house. Wake up, little ones, said Granny Pig in the morning. We're taking you somewhere special today. Hooray, cheered Peppa. Where are we going? It's a surprise, said Granny Pig. When they got to the surprise place, Peppa turned to George to sing. On the 6th day of Christmas, Granny showed you and me 6 penguins playing. They're so cute, said Peppa. Thank you, Granny. The following night, Mr. Bull came to give Peppa and her family a musical present. He played a Christmas tune on his horn and then pointed behind him. Peppa looked at George and began to sing. On the 7th day of Christmas, Mr. Bull gave you and me 7 singles singing. We wish you a Merry Christmas, sang the 7 carol singers. Wow, thank you everyone, said Peppa. I love singing. On the 8th day of Christmas, it was the 8th day of Christmas, and Peppa and George were on a play date with Danny Dog. at the ice skating rink. It's so slippy and slidey, said Danny. Swoosh! Peppa turned to George and sang, "On the 8th day of Christmas, Danny showed you and me 8 skaters swooshing." "Thank you, Danny," said Peppa. "Ice skating is brilliant." The following day, Peppa's playgroup friends came to see her. "We're posting thank you letters," said Zoe Zebra. "Do you want to come, Peppa?" "Yes, please," said Peppa excitedly. Peppa paused at the top of the hill, Snowy Hill, with George and sang, "On the 9th day of Christmas, Zoe showed you and me 9 sledges whooshing." "Thanks, Zoe," said Peppa. "I love getting presents and I love writing thank you letters." Mummy and Daddy Pig had their own special surprise for Peppa and George on the 10th day of Christmas. A visit to see Santa. "Would you like to sit in my sleigh?" asked Santa when they arrived. "Oh, yes, please," cried Peppa. As Peppa and George sat in Santa's sleigh, Peppa sang, "On the 10th day of Christmas, Santa gave me you and me 10 reindeer flying." "Reindeer are amazing," said Peppa. "Thank you, Santa." The next day, Peppa and George were outside helping Mummy and Daddy Pig. Some of the Christmas lights were broken. Luckily, Mr. Fox arrived. "I have just the thing you need," he said. "I wonder what it is," said Peppa. As Mr. Fox pulled something out of his van, Peppa turned to George and sang, "On the 11th day of Christmas, Mr. Fox gave you and me 11 lights a twinkling." "Thank you, Mr. Fox," said Peppa. "They're so sparkly." The next day, Uncle Pig and Auntie Pig came over with Cousin Chloe and baby Alexander. "Aren't you going to sing us a song, Peppa?" asked Mummy Pig. Peppa had one last idea for a song. "On the 12th day of Christmas, if everyone gave you and me 12 faces smiling and a perfect family." "Aren't there 10 of us, Peppa?" whispered Cousin Chloe. "I counted Teddy and Mr. Dinosaur too." He. Everyone laughed. "Merry Christmas, Peppa." Peppa's 12 days of Christmas. 1 brand new Christmas dolly. 2 woolly hats. 3 French friends. 4 yummy cookies. 5 golden boots. 6 penguins playing. 7 singers singing. 8 skaters swooshing. 9 sledges swooshing. 10 reindeer flying. 11 lights a twinkling. 12 faces smiling. And the perfect family. Thanks for listening. I hope you liked the book.